Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did klere, clothes. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Les 27, lidwoorde, articles. Die lidwoord is a function word. It does not act independently and will work together with a noun, naamwoord. There are three types of lidwoorde. We'll go through them all, explaining the use of lidwoorde. The first is the bepaalde lidwoord. Bepaalde lidwoord. The bepaalde lidwoord is die. Look at the example sentence. Wouter koop die hemp. Wouter koop die hemp. The bepaalde lidwoord die deals with a relationship between the various content words. It shows here the specific relation between Wouter and the hemp. It is suggested that Wouter already knows this hemp. It is the opposite for our next type of lidwoord. Onbepaalde lidwoord. Onbepaalde lidwoord. The onbepaalde lidwoord is a. Look at this sentence now. Wouter koop a hemp. Wouter koop a hemp. Here we find the lack of any specific relationship between Wouter and the hemp. Instead, here this could be any hemp, one with no prior relation to. Important. Note how the lidwoord always stands before the naamwoord. This will always be the case. Thirdly, we have the ontkenningslidwoord. Ontkenningslidwoord. The ontkenningslidwoord is geen, or the shortened version gen. The purpose of the ontkenningslidwoord is to show the absence of the naamwoord that follows. See these sentences. Wouter wou geen hemp koop nie. Wouter wou geen hemp koop nie. En Wouter wou geen hemp koop nie. In these sentences, the naamwoorde are not there because of the ontkenningslidwoord. Exception. Sometimes gen is not a lidwoord. To test, you can always replace gen with nie, a, and the sentences would still work. For example, Wouter wou nie a hemp koop nie. With lidwoorde, there are also a lot of old forms that are still used. Vorme. Because of Afrikaans' history deriving from Dutch, you might come across phrases that make use of these lidwoorde. For example, wel ter tale. Wel ter tale. In this phrase, ter is your lidwoord, and it is important to be able to recognize these lidwoorde. But you'll only see them used in phrases that have their own meaning, not in a standalone context. Let's see a couple of more examples. The lidwoord is highlighted. Ten bate van. Ten bate van. Omt ewe. In der minne skik. In der minne skik. Wat de jeus. And so forth. It is best to learn these phrases as you come across them in their relevant use. Next week, daaglikse routine. Daily routine in Afrikaans. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.